Hi, I'm Selena Coble. We're here today in Sunrise Beach at this 3-bedroom, 2-bath lakefront home. This home has its own dock and boat ramp, as well as an apartment above the garage that is great for guest overflow as well as the potential for rental income. Come with me and let's take a look inside. For more information on this home or any other home, please give me a call. This home is located at 217 Lucky Strike, Sunrise Beach.